Hello listener, welcome to SolidWorks MasterCAM CNC Learner. Today how to draw simple sketch in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click Part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle and here, select. Now give the dimension, circle dimension 100. Okay, this circle dimension 50. Okay, now this line and this line dimension 100. Okay, same this line and this point dimension 100. Okay, select. Now this point control this point horizontal, and again this point control this point horizontal. Now draw the line, select. Now this line control this line, these are tangent. Okay, again this line control this circle line tangent. Okay, now they are fully defined. Now we can move. Now go to trim, you can cut. Okay, now they are fully defined. We can now draw the line, center line, select this line horizontal and make the construction base. Now go to mirror this line about center line. Okay, now they are fully defined. Make our job. You can check total length, select and go to evaluate and check measure. Their total length 978.29 millimeter. Okay, thank you all, everybody share and like. If you have any question you can write comment box.